May adobo. Ang dami ng rice. My kids and my husband love adobo. Ano yan? I put potato and of course boiled egg. Tapos juice. This is my breakfast. I'm getting ready before I go to Amazon. Well, it's not Amazon. I'm gonna pick up some stuff from F&B. I always go there. Parang yan lang yung buhay ko dito. Wala kasing magawa talaga. Especially, I live far away. Nasa probinsya po ako. It's like I live in the province here sa Amerika. Kaya, wala talagang magawa. There's no place to go except for Walmart, Meijer, and the F&B store for me. Bye!